Oh, it's a site visitor. Who is it? Oh.
They sign your swims. Yeah. Where are your swims?
Come on, have a look.
G'day, mate.
Come and have a look at what we've done. All right, so here we are at the end of week 2. I'm 4 weeks in, and I tell you what, it is still so exciting and so great to be a part of this whole thing. It has been so much fun. But I'll tell you what, this week, a roller coaster of emotions. More around how just incredibly exhausting some of this work is. It's we started the week doing holes. So we're digging holes, and we're digging them for supporting the second story. That's the biggest bit. You've got to support the second story and also support the steel beams that we're bringing in. So a lot of foundation work this week. Jean was working really hard on brick piers. So we did about 7 or 8 of them. So like one of the brick piers you can actually see over here. So you can see that brick pier there on the right. So a few of them have to be made because they were just, they were needed for supporting the second story. So there's 2 over here. We actually work side by side on that. You have to dig down until you hit the footing. And so you're in tiny little spaces just chipping away, and man, it was intense. But he did so many of them, so many more. I only did 1 and he did 7. But I was digging holes. So one of the holes, the first one I dug, was in this room, in the spare room. And I got some footage of that. I was using the crowbar and I was chipping away all of the dirt and then digging it up with a shovel to start with. And then I had to use a tiny little cup. And once we got down to the clay line, like we're about 600 deep, we went a little bit below the clay line to make sure that we get a really good pad for the stumps. So one of the other ones that we did was over here. This is actually going to be a bit of a nib. Well, there's going to be a bit of a section that comes out here to where that stump is. So we had to put that in there. And also the other ones, we did 2 here as well. So these are going to be supporting the extension of the wall, which is the door as well. Let me just walk across here. This one's a bit wider. That one's wider because we're going to have a big steel post sitting on top of that concrete pad. So that had to be done really well. So that was quite a wide, deep hole. But they're looking really great. So then after that, what we did is we started framing out the main entryway. So a garage is going to be through there. This is the internal access door here. So when you come in, hoping to have some sort of hook system across here. You can put coats and bags and things on there. And this area here, we're going to have shelves and hooks, place for your shoes. So that's a bit of an entryway space there. And then this is where the stairs are going to go for upstairs. So go up and you go around. So that'll actually mean that part of this wall here will get cut down because the stairs are going to go up like that. So it'll cut in a bit to the side here. So that was pretty cool doing all that. We've also opened up the old bathroom. So this is going to be the laundry. Done a bit around here where the powder room's going to be. And also we pulled up the kitchen floor. Pulled all that up, cleaned up underneath there. It was an absolute disaster underneath that floor. So we've cleaned that up. We'll have to level that out because it's dropped a fair bit. And there's a few other bits that we've framed out as well. As you can see as well, a few of the lintels have been put up. So lintels above the windows. So there's some over there as well. There's one above the door over here. It's up that way. And also, you might be able to see over this way. So we've got a big lintel across the doorway over that way. And the steel beam's basically going to sit on top of that. So yeah, a lot of that structure was done this week. And also, if I show you from out the front, we chipped away, jackhammered up all of the front carport. So that's gone. We've demoed a bit of the top bit as well. So yeah, it's been heaps of fun this week. We got started cutting timber on the drop saw, and the nail gun was out. That was really exciting. I tell you what, there's been so much demolition, so much demo. It's just been good to get out the old and bring in some of the new. So I've loved this week. As tired and as sore as I am, I really love this week. It's been heaps of fun. Next week we're getting the flooring in, so some of the yellow tongue flooring. The steel's hopefully getting delivered, and also some more timber. So some of the timbers didn't get delivered. It's actually really hard to get deliveries for timber at the moment, so we're really lucky that Gene's planned ahead. He booked the timber months in advance. So that's really great that we've got that, because some people are just just can't get timber. It's just one of those things from the pandemic that because they just stopped milling, there's no timber. So I thought I'd finish the week's video with a whole bunch of random clips. So yeah, enjoy, and I will see you next week. Delivery. Oh, here we go. Timber's here.
No, you haven't hit clay yet.
Yeah.
Keep digging.
Keep digging. Alright.
Keep digging. Keep digging.
Keep digging. Alright, that hole is done. And I'm very sore. That is one of about 6. Keep digging. Lunchtime yet? Go. Yes. Righto, barbecue. Concrete's here.
What's that?
The camera.
Oh no.
Nah, it's alright.
Where was it?